Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ISC Steno. We are starting the passage at speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh launched the initiative of a number of modernization and upgradation of facilities as also new infrastructure creation by defense PSUs and OFB through digital link here today as part of the Atmanirbhar Week celebration of the Ministry of Defence, Raksha Rajya Mantri Shri Shripad Y. Nayak, Defence Secretary Dr. Ajay Kumar, Secretary Defence Production Shri Raj Kumar, Vice Admiral Hari Kumar, CISC senior officers from DDP and CMDs, and Chairman of DPSU and OFB participated in the event through video conference links. Addressing them, Shri Rajnath Singh said Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi gave a clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan and his 5I formula of intent, inclusion, investment, infrastructure and innovation will put the economy on high growth trajectory. He said our government has made timely and thoughtful intervention during COVID-19 times like issuing negative list for import, increase in FDI limit, separate budget for domestic capital procurement and emphasis on indigenization. The ban on import of 101 items is a big step towards an Atmanirbhar Bharat. This list of negative items contain not only small item but weapon system of high and critical technology. More such items will be added to this list shortly, which will save crores of rupees in imports. Raksha Mantri said, we will take more steps towards indigenization, investment in defense, infrastructure and expansion in defense manufacturing capability. These steps will create big opportunity for the Indian defense industry. In keeping with the vision of the Prime Minister, Shri Singh said the Department of Defense Production, Defense PSU and Ordnance Factory Board has shown great enthusiasm and commitment in ushering in a truly Atmanirbhar Bharat. He said defense industry has always been the forerunner of cutting-edge technology world across and hence self-reliance in defense is a tall task which needs wholehearted involvement of all to be fruitful. The defense industry have been the force behind the armed forces today. We are proud of our defense PSUs and OFB for their continued support and sustained effort towards this. He added, under upgradation of facility Pinaka Rocket Complex at Ordnance Factory, Chanda has launched upgradation of facilities to meet the enhanced requirement of Pinaka and other rocket as well as the assembly and testing facility for SRCG at OF Trichy, all of which are critical requirement towards defense preparedness. Modernization of facility at OLF Dehradun will serve the purpose of manufacturing at high-end optoelectronic product for T-90 tanks. BHEL has launched fully indigenized Marich integration facility for manufacturing, integration and testing of anti-torpedo defense system Marich, which has been designed by DRDO. HALE has handed over the 500 AL-31FP overhauled engine to the IAF, which are mounted on its most lethal frontline fighter aircraft Su-30 MKI. It has been done by the Koraput division of HAK. BEML has set up Industrial Design Center at Bangalore as part of its new infrastructure creation. The center is first of its kind in India, focusing on implementing factors of industrial design and human factors as a part of developmental strategies for setting the global benchmarking in industrial design and ergonomic in products. It is proposed to develop this facility further as national facility and would be offered to the industry in the next stage. Under modernization of facilities, GRSE has enhanced the capability at its Raja Bagan dockyard to meet the production requirement for the ongoing prestigious P-17A project. New infrastructure has been created in the defense sector in the shape of foundation laying of Seeker Facility Center at BDL, a new modular facility for manufacturing of missile system that will reduce import dependence for Seeker, and foundation laying for warheads production facility at BDL for manufacturing and testing of indigenously developed warhead required for Konkurs M, Invar, Akarsh, Astra, missile, etc. The facility being modular will cater to all futuristic missile warhead with incremental modification. A new state-of-art steel preparation shop at GSL has been inaugurated today that will enable indigenous construction of high technology glass reinforced plastic hull MCMV along with other supporting infrastructure for the country. Midhani, under its corporate social responsibility and sustainable development policy, has set up a state-of-the-art skill development center and christened it as Center of Excellence Special Materials. This facility will primarily focus on promoting applied research for the development of special material used in aerospace, defense, nuclear, space, and other strategic areas. Raksha Mantri unveiled these facilities by pressing a remote button, congratulating the Department of Defense, Production, MOD, Defense PSU, and Ordnance Factory Board. Shri Rajnath Singh said these upgradation, modernization, new setup will give tremendous benefit in terms of reducing dependency on foreign resources for production as well as further maintenance, upgradation and lifetime support, although safe and sound indigenous hands. Shri Singh said the spirit demonstrated by DPSU and OFB will usher the nation in a quantum jump to a resilient Atmanirbhar economy. As part of Atmanirbhar Week celebration, various DPSU and OFB are also organizing a series of webinars covering all relevant topics and including the various stakeholders like industry, expert, vendors and academia. Full stop.